Palm Beach County Probate Court, an overview. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro, and we're going to walk through and explain some really practical information about the probate court. Let's get right at it. The Palm Beach County Probate Court, of course, is located in Palm Beach County, but it contains multiple different divisions and different locations. Here, as referenced on the map, you're seeing the location at 205 North Dixie Highway in West Palm Beach, with hours of operation of 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. In addition to this main courthouse address for the Palm Beach County Probate Court, you'll see that there's a South Courthouse at 200 West Atlantic Avenue in Delray Beach, and a North Courthouse at 3188 PGA Boulevard in Palm Beach Gardens. Now, with any courthouse, you should expect there to be a secured facility. Understand that to give yourself plenty of time to travel to the courthouse, park, make your way through security, take a deep breath as you enter in so you can find your courthouse, your courtroom, or the filing clerk. So plan ahead, be prepared, and those are the various locations, and make sure that you look to understand which location is the right location for your particular probate matter. As you'd expect when entering any secured facility or building or airport, there are things that are prohibited when you enter into the courthouse, and most of those items are really obvious. There are some items that aren't so obvious. So for example, you can't bring in any of those spritzer, breath mints, or aerosols that you could be using for body deodorant. Of course, alcohol is not permissible, as well as lighters and matches. People often forget that within their purse or pocket, they've got these things. The most common thing that I think people forget about are those little attachments to your key rings that may include like a Swiss Army knife or a sharp object. So if you're unsure, go through your purse, your wallet, your pockets to make sure that before you park and leave your vehicle, you've checked for any impermissible items, because it's very frustrating to get into the building only to learn that you have to turn around and empty out your pockets. The Palm Beach County Probate Court, of course, handles probate and trust-related matters, as referenced here in this slide, which includes deceased probate estates, as well as trust and guardianship issues, as well as mental health issues. At the Palm Beach County Probate Court, they're very fortunate to have very experienced judges serving on behalf of the county. These judges, both judges and administrative judges, handle the docket for probate-related matters. The Palm Beach County Probate Court has a very robust and extensive website, as reflected here at mypalmbeachclerk.com. It provides lots of practical information, including information like here, frequently asked questions about various types of filings or processes within the probate court, as well as forms. So you can look at the forms and access them, filing fees, as well as information regarding case docket. Unfortunately, at the court, the website specifically has a limitation unless you're the attorney of record or you become a registered user for mental health division, guardianship, probate, and family-related matters. Those are not reflected on the court's website. At the Palm Beach County Probate Court, the most common filing fees related to the use of the court are referenced here, including the opening of an estate, as well as guardianship-related proceedings. For specific information about the filing fees, contact your attorney or the court itself to make sure that you understand the full extent of those filing fees before you begin to open up an estate. The state of Florida maintains case filing and disposition records to identify the volume of matters that are both filed at the court and hearings that dispose of cases. This particular graph identifies from fiscal year 2009 and 10 all the way to fiscal year 2018-19. As you can see from those beautiful railroad track lines, there's been an increase in both filings and dispositions over the last 10 years. The highlighted area on the far right shows that about 133,000 probate filings occurred in the fiscal year statewide and 128,000 dispositions. This particular graph shows that probate represents a tremendous volume of the filings within the state, representing over 59,000, trust 940, and guardianships, a little short of 8,000. A lot of files within the court system. This particular graph represents that probate represents about 50%, guardianships a little less than 6%, and mental health commitment acts 44%, and trust less than 1% in the state. Within Palm Beach County itself, about 4,800, little short of 4,900 probate estates were filed within the county in the year, and about 3,179 commitment mental health related issues and 510 guardianships. Close to 8,800 or so total filings within the state. A very busy court system. So what do you take from this? Just recognize that if you're involved in the probate court within the state or within that county, you are one of many files being filed at the courthouse. We are passionate at the Probate Pro about probate and trust related issues. If you have questions about the Palm Beach County Probate Court or questions about probate and or trust issues, give us a call at 833-PROBATE or visit us at theprobatepro.com.